Okay, today is February 2nd, 2011. I just want to shoot a little video of the so-called blizzard of 2011. This is kind of for my friend Carolyn, who lives in Tennessee. For starters, I ended up spending the night at work last night because literally the roads were impassable, not that they're that much better. Carolyn, in case if you notice that, I'm going to pan in there or zoom in as close as I can. You talk about your snow and all that. Well, that drifts right there in front of my neighbor's houses. Oh man, that thing's got to be 5-6 feet tall. So, okay, I'm going to kind of go out. Well, I'm going to turn right into the, and it is blowing like you wouldn't believe. Well, so much for that. I turn it back around. Whoa! Almost fell. Sorry. And it's funny. I never, ever plow out my own driveway, but man, it was the only way I could get into my garage. And right there, kind of where my sidewalk would be. I don't know, man, those drifts are up there too. Luckily for me, when I got home, and this mountain of snow is from the snow removal company. Luckily, when I got home, I left work at, I don't know, I think it was 8:45 or something like that. It only took me about 35-40 minutes to get home, but it was literally all one way. I am looking right into the snow as we speak, and I don't know, man, that's a drift in front of my house. That thing's got to be 6 feet tall, and it's only a little bit after 10 o'clock right now, and I believe that we have several more hours of this stuff left. So yeah, calling this a blizzard was definitely the right thing. And a little word to the wise that when they say, hey, stay off the roads, man, they aren't kidding. So, well, Carolyn, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm freezing my tush off, so I'm going to head back in. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.